car coming against us as well. Guys, oh my god, what is it doing, man?
That's gonna be cut up. Look at this fucking, oh my god.
Man, pull in, look. That's almost really, you ring the guards on him for that, like.
We're reporting him anyway, 100%.
Yeah.
Can't get the reg, you get the reg.
That 07C something, I don't know what model car it is. He's on a fucking hard something.
Can't get his reg. You can report it, but they don't do anything.
Good enough.
There's a portal you can put stuff up to, but they don't. There's no point. I'll be saving it.
I'll be in a ditch. What's he gained by doing that? Like, risked his life and he's only there. Like, he's gonna gain. Like, he's gonna crash. Oh my god, on a bend. Oh my god, what's he doing? What is he doing? Jesus fucking Christ Almighty!
Scumbags, so I saw the heads in them, they're rough.
They're Irish or are they foreign?
They're Irish.
Great.
Yeah, but a fucking bomb too. It was actually speaking about it.
Holy fuck.
I actually wanted to hear that.
Set out at the market, you know, for slaughter. Before Mackey left for California, his dad warned him he can't trust venture capitalists because they only care about the exit. But they both know there's no alternative. If Whole Foods is to
and then that makes the shuttlecock either move faster or easier for you to hit, so it's floating a little bit more slowly, those kind of things. I'm thinking along those lines. When I say...
Let's go, baby. This is Delaware football right here. We are executing. The boy wide left. Brown puts him in motion. Takes the snap. It's a handoff running.
7-mile loop. So get this, okay? The current record for is 136 miles per hour
Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die.
Ooh, you fucking twat. Go fuck yourself, you What the fuck?
Trójka, identyczny plus pan, 1 do 1, wszystko to samo.
Kurwa.